Good morning, all of you. So, we are going to the next problem in the exercise 14.2. Already two problems are completed. Next, third problem. A bag contain 5 red and a bag contain red balls. A bag contain 5 red balls and some blue balls. A bag contain, bag is there, a bag contain 5 red balls and some blue balls. Some means not fine, not exactly. So let x be the let the blue balls be x. So in the bag contain 5 red balls and some blue balls. Some means taken x. Let the blue balls be x. So total number of balls. Total number of balls is 5 plus x. In the bag only two color balls are there, red and blue. Red 5 balls and blue x. So n of s is equal to 5 plus x. Total balls 5 plus x. Next. If the probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of red ball, let R be an event of getting red balls. So n of R is equal to 5. Probability of red ball is equal to number of red balls by number of s equal to 5 by 5 plus x. Next, let B be an event of getting blue balls. So probability of blue ball is equal to how many blue balls? N of B is equal to x by x plus y. Why did we calculate probability of red and probability of blue? Why did we calculate? Because one condition is given. What is the condition? The probability of drawing or getting a blue ball is double double that of red ball. That is line meaning. The probability of drawing a blue ball is probability of blue ball is means equal to probability of blue ball is nothing but equal to is double means 2 into that of red ball, probability of red ball. probability of blue ball, probability of blue ball is equal to x by x plus 5 is equal to 2 into probability of red ball 5 by x plus 5, probability of red ball. So x by x plus 5 is equal to 10 by x plus 5. Okay, x plus cancel, or multiply, x plus cancel, no problem. X plus cancel, x is equal to 7. So the number of blue balls, the number of blue balls is 10. And finally, determine the number of blue balls in the bag. Determine the number of blue balls in the bag. So the number of blue balls is x. X is equal to how much? 10. So it directly not cancelled. Directly should not be cancelled. So or x by x plus 5 is equal to 10 by x plus 5. X into x, x square plus 5x is equal to 10x, 10 into 10x plus 50. X square minus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. So x square minus 10x plus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. Adding minus 50. So x common, x minus 10 plus 5 common, x minus 10 equal to 0. So x is equal to 10 comma minus 5. So x not equal to minus 5 because the number of balls means 5 balls, 6 balls, 7 balls is correct. Minus 5 balls, minus 6 balls, minus 10 balls is not correct. So finally x is equal to 10. This is the one way, or actually this is the correct. Not cancelled directly. Not cancelled directly. This is the procedure. So this is also better. No problem. Next to problem number 4. A box contain 12 balls. Out of x are a box contain 12 balls. A box contain 12 balls. Total balls equal to 12. N of s is equal to 12. A box contain 12 balls. Out of XR block, black balls is equal to x. The bag contain, a box contain 12 balls. Out of x are red. If one ball is drawn at random from the box, one ball is drawn at random from the box, what is the probability that it will be a black ball? It will be a black ball. So let B be the an event of getting black ball. So n of b is equal to x. P of black ball is equal to x by 12. X by 12. So once again, a box contain 12 balls, totally 12 balls. So n of s is equal to 12. Black balls, out of x balls are black. Out of x ball, 12, out of in 12 x balls are black. So let B be the event of getting black ball. N of B is equal to 12. So probability of black ball. This is the first bit, x by 12. Next, 6 more black balls are put in the box. 6 more black balls are put in the 6 more black balls are put in the 6 more black balls are put in the box X. 6 more black balls. This second bit, listen carefully, this is tough one. 6 more black balls are put in the box. Totally box 12 balls and 6 more balls are put in the box. So the total one is 18. The probability of drawing a block ball is now double of what it was before. Before means the probability of black balls is equal to x by 10. Before probability of black ball is x by 10. Now probability of black balls are now means this. So before now the total thing is the finally probability of getting black ball. First bit to second bit. First bit to probability of getting black ball, second bit to probability of getting black ball. So first bit simply 12 balls, in the 12 x balls are black, x by 12. So the second bit is 6 more black balls are put in the box. So totally 18. Total balls 18. So total number of black balls, n of b is equal to what? Already x balls are x in the x before x plus 6. So that is equal to total number of black balls. Okay, listen. 6 more black balls are put in the box. So totally 6, extra 6 and black balls extra plus 6. So probability of black ball is equal to n of b by n of s is equal to x plus 6 by 18. So what is the given? Find okay. So the probability of condition, the probability of drawing a black ball, is now, the probability of drawing a black ball is now double. So now double of what it was before. This is that is for example this is b1, for example b1. Okay, that is meaning probability of drawing a black ball is now double. Probability of is double now means is now. The probability of b1 is equal to double of probability of b. So p of b1 is equal to x plus 6 by 18 is equal to 2 into x by 12. 2 1s so 2 6, 6 1s so 6 3s. Okay, x plus 6 by 3 is equal to x. So x plus 6 is equal to 3x. 2x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 3. Find the value of x. The probability of drawing a black ball is now means this is now, before one now is now means p of b1 double 2 into what is what before. The condition is very important. Okay. Next. So in fifth problem, total number of marbles. Total number of marbles. Total number of marbles, yes, n of s is equal to 24. In green marbles, x. So let the green marbles be x. Totally 24. In 24 x green marbles. So what is the blue marbles? The total number of green marbles. So totally 24. In 24 x green, blue. X is green. So blue means 24 total minus green is equal to blue. Okay, 24 minus x. So probability of getting green, let G be an event of getting, let G be an event of getting. Total number of marbles 24. In 24 x taken, x green marbles. How many total? In 24 marbles 2 colors are there, green and blue. So green, let it be x, and blue 24 minus x. Total minus green is equal to blue. Let G be the event of getting green marble. An event of getting green marbles. So n of G is equal to green marbles. How many? X. So probability of green marbles. So that is equal to x by 24. X by 24. So probability of blue marbles. Probability of blue marbles is 2 by 3. Probability of green marble is given. Total number of marbles given. So probability of green marbles is equal to x by 24. Probability of blue marbles is equal to 2 by 3. So same. Probability of green marbles. Equal to probability of blue marbles equal. That is probability of green marbles is equal to probability of green marbles. Probability of green marbles is equal to x by 24. Probability of green marbles 2 by 3. So 2 ones 2, 3 ones 3, 8. So x is equal to 16. What is x? So the total number of green marbles is equal to 16. The total number of green marbles, x is equal to The total number of green marbles are 16. So the total number of blue marbles, 24 minus 16 is equal to 8. So how many marbles, green marbles 16, how many blue marbles are there? 8 marbles. Okay. So 100% probability exercise 14.1 and 14.2 both are completed. Okay, clear? So 3 examples are there. Example 11, 12, 13 are there. 13. Okay, the 3 problems are there. You have to do. A missing helicopter is reported to have crashed somewhere in the rectangle region shown in the figure. What is the probability that it crashed inside the lake shown in the figure? So see example 11. A missing helicopter is reported to have crashed somewhere in the rectangle region shown in the figure 14.2. What is the probability that it crashed inside the lake shown in the figure? So this is lake totally. This is the rectangle region. The rectangle region, the total length is 9 kilometers. Total length 9 kilometers. This is length. Breadth 4.5 kilometers. So in the some part is lake. Lake is there, some part. This is lake. This is the forest or something anywhere. So the only before lake, this is 6 kilometers, only up to this one. This is only 2 kilometers. This is the given data. So what is the probability that it crashed inside the lake? Lake probability, lake area. Lake area, lake is a rectangle and the forest is also rectangle. Area is nothing but length into breadth, okay, no problem. So this is 2 means this is what? This is totally 4.5. Totally 4.5, this is 2.5 plus 2, 4.5. Only this area, this length, only this length. So this is totally 9 kilometers up to this 6 kilometers. The remaining is 3 kilometers, only lake. Okay. So the probability of area is the lake probability. So the probability of lake is equal to the number of area of lake by area of forest. Okay, probability of total lake, only lake. This is here the favorable cases are lake, total cases are forest. So solution, length of lake, length of lake L is equal to 3 kilometers. Breadth of lake, breadth of lake B is equal to 2.5 kilometers. Area of lake is equal to L into B. 2.5 into 3 is equal to 15. 7.5. Okay, 7.5. This is N of E. N of E is equal to 7.5. Next, length of forest L is equal to 9 kilometers. Breadth of forest B is equal to 4.5. Area is equal to L into B equal to 9 into 4.5. 9 5s 45, 9 4s 36, 40.5. Probability of crash inside the lake. Crashed inside the lake. Probability of equal to N of, this is N of S. N of E by N of S. N of E is equal to 7.5. N of S is equal to 40.5. 7.5 by 40.5 is equal to, this is 5 by 27. Okay, the total is rectangle forest, the remaining the small one is lake. The probability of area of lake is equal to probability of area of lake by probability of area of forest. This type of already in exercise 14.1 20th problem and example 11th problem, both are same method, same model. So on the example 14.1 20th problem, rectangle inside the circle, rectangle inside rectangle lake. Okay, the two examples 12 and 13 two examples are there. The two examples are very easy, so you have to do and complete the probability. Okay, tomorrow next topic is trigonometry, introduction to the trigonometry. Okay, clear?